One of the emerging companies in AI is Runway. Runway is an applied AI research company shaping the next era of art, entertainment, and human creativity. Earlier, they released Gen 1 tooling around image and video editing, and now they have released Gen 2. In this video, I'm going to give you a short and quick demo in the free tier in Runway for Gen 2, which enables us to generate video with text prompts. You can sign up for free at Runway's website, and then from there you will get some credit, I think around 125 credits one time to play around with Runway. Once you sign up and log into Runway's website, you will see a screen like this. Then you simply click on introducing Gen 2. Once you click there, this will take you to the Gen 2 screen where by just using your text prompt, it will generate a 4-second MP4 video. Let's try it out. So I'm giving it a prompt something like a Palm Beach sunset. Let's see. So as you can see, it is now processing it, and I have seen that processing is fairly quick. Sometimes when there are peak hours, it takes a bit of a time, but still it is just a matter of seconds that it generates a video. As you can see, it is already 31% done, and then it keeps going on. I will pause the video and I will resume it once it's complete. Won't take long. Okay, so as you can see, it is done. Now let me play the video which it has generated. So look at that, how cool is that? Let me play it one more time. It's very nice. Okay, so that is how you can create videos out of it. And if you want, you can also upgrade it to a better plan where you can have more credits and then you have maybe longer videos in the future. I hope that you found it interesting. If you haven't really played around with Runway, I would highly suggest you go and play with it. I will also put the link to Runway ML in the video description. Thank you very much.